What a nice day for silver stackers and gold stackers. So the price of silver and gold have fallen. Yeah, we had a pretty nice drop. Yeah, gold it's looking cheaper and cheaper, so it's below 1800. I thought 1850 was a great price, so yeah, below 1800 I'm definitely gonna keep buying. That's just kind of the way it was, although yeah, today it seems 1800 seems cheap because of the amount of money that's being created. The M1 money supply has gone skyrocketing. It's gonna keep going up and up and up. We keep speculating on how much more money is gonna be printed, therefore I'm gonna buy gold while it's cheap. It's below 1800. Seems like it has really not kept up with the rate of money supply at all, so yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. Pretty happy about just storing some wealth in gold. It's gonna hold value. I don't think it's adequately valued today. I think it's a bit undervalued. Nothing crazy or anything like that, but when you look at every other asset that you could find, pretty much, it's way overvalued. Gold is one of the few that is undervalued in my mind. Silver still, I think that is undervalued, but I'm not going to be buying with all the crazy premiums. I'm going to get a couple collection pieces and things like that. I'm going to have some fun collecting. I'm going to get the odd stacking piece, get the odd piece to melt, but I'm not going to be stacking a lot with a higher spot price, higher premiums. I don't think I'm going to be really stacking a whole lot. I think that when the premiums go down, spot price goes down, that's when I feel like buying. After the hype, after the emotion, after all of that. And gold, though, I'm finding products that I haven't been able to find for quite a while, so it seems like the supply on gold is really coming back. I think a lot of people have probably sold their gold in hopes to get silver because of the hype behind that. I think there's a bit of that going on based on how much more gold products I see. It's not been like this for quite a while, about a year. And I'm pretty happy about that. I get to actually go back to buying some things that I wanted to buy a year ago, that I wanted to get a year ago, that I just haven't been able to find, haven't been able to get, or it's been a crazy high premium and I just said no. I'm not gonna pay that much for this. And I just bought a 1/4 ounce maple or something like that instead. So that's kind of the way I've been going about gold lately. The past, with all my gold purchases and all of that, I was really more into the fractional gold and everything while the premiums were lower before the pandemic and everything. And I'm kind of happy that I'm able to find things like 20th gold maples at a decent premium, all that kind of stuff. I haven't been able to find anything smaller than a 10th maple for quite a while. None of those 15ths, none of the 20ths, none of the 25ths, nothing like that. So I'm pretty happy that I am able to find all that kind of stuff again. I find it's not really much more of a premium than, it's really not sometimes it's less premium than a 10th. Because people don't search for the 20ths, 25ths of an ounce. People don't want that. They want the 10th. That's what they go there wanting. So if you go too fractional, the premium actually drops because people just don't even think about it. Nobody's goes into their LCS and say, hey, I want 10th gram bars. Most people don't, but this guy here does, and I got a steal of a deal. So when you're talking about 65, the equivalent of that US per gram, yeah, per gram, but you're getting in 10th gram increments, not too shabby, if you ask me. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about that, and I just want to keep stacking the gold, keep getting some more weight. I wouldn't mind getting some gold collectibles, and I am hoping that the price drops a bit more for the silver here, so I could start to acquire some more of this, because I like buying silver, I like collecting it, it's fun, it is a hobby of mine, as well as an asset. The hobby side, I want to keep doing that continuously, but the use it as an asset kind of side of everything, I'm going to be holding off. But I want to do both again, so I'm really hoping the price goes down. I wouldn't mind the price of gold going down too, because I would be happy if gold goes down to 1,500, 1,400. I'm a stacker. I stack, that's what I do. I'm planning on stacking gold continuously. Why? I don't really plan on using my gold, I plan on passing it down. Why would I want the price to really go up a whole lot? I remember a wise man, I can't remember who, but they said, people would ask me, why are you buying gold? It's gone down for the past 20 years. And his response was, exactly! Can you believe that gold has gone down for 20 years straight? And I'm thinking, what a genius. This is just makes sense. Why would you say, hey, look at the Dow Jones. It's in the 30,000s. Now's the time to buy. Well, why not when it was at 10,000? That was only a few years back. And people act like it wasn't that long ago the Dow Jones was at 10,000. Now, you see all this emotion with the prices rising. You see it in the stock market. You see it everywhere. It doesn't matter the asset. I just pointing out the Dow Jones because that's one of the main assets that people like to focus on. I put a little extra focus on that, and I'm Canadian. I'm not even American, but I like to think about it. I like to follow it. I like to know the trends and everything. I like to know what's going on with the Dow Jones, with the NASDAQ, S&P, Russell 2K. Those are some indexes that I really want to know. Same with the TSX. But yeah, that's kind of basically what I'm thinking with silver and gold. With the price, I'm enjoying the fact that it comes down. It's pretty nice. I never bought up at the top. I was just waiting on the sidelines all this week so far. I bought one maple last week. That's all the silver. But even that maple at last week, that was below $25 an ounce. That's not really paying a whole lot. As you guys know, I kind of draw that line right now in today's world. That line will be moving throughout time, but $25 an ounce is kind of my line that I kind of buy up to $25 an ounce and hold above. But that's kind of what I'm doing. Just buying in any price below 25, I'm happy buying. And so far I've just held above 25. It hasn't reached any sell targets yet because I wouldn't. With all the craziness, I was thinking if it hits $35, I might take some profits here, move it over into gold. If people are going to be selling gold to buy silver, that's kind of the logic on it though, because if gold didn't move a whole lot, silver's up over 35 an ounce. That ratio to me says I'm comfortable moving silver into gold. That's just kind of the way I was thinking though. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the price drop, where you think it'll go next, how you feel about the price drop, and yeah, let me know. I always love to hear from you guys. I do enjoy all the comments and I will get back to you. So yeah, please like, share, subscribe, stay positive. See you next time. Thanks. Bye.